Information about Betula pubescens. Betula pubescens, also known as Downy Birch, is a deciduous tree species that belongs to the Betulaceae family. It is commonly found in northern and central Europe, as well as in parts of Asia and North America. The downy birch typically grows to a height of around 20 to 30 meters and has a slender trunk with a light-colored bark that peels off in thin sheets. Its leaves are dark green and oval-shaped, with a pointed tip and serrated edges. In the autumn, the leaves turn yellow before falling off. The tree is monoecious, meaning it has separate male and female flowers on the same plant. The male flowers, known as catkins, are long and yellow-brown in color and hang down from the branches. The female flowers are much smaller and greenish in color, and they grow in small clusters on the same tree as the male flowers. Betula pubescens is commonly used for its timber, which is light in color and has a fine texture. The wood is also known for its strength and durability, making it a popular choice for furniture, flooring, and other construction projects. The tree has a variety of traditional medicinal uses as well. The leaves and bark have been used to treat conditions such as arthritis, rheumatism, and skin rashes. The sap has been used as a diuretic and to treat kidney stones, while the twigs have been used as a natural toothbrush. Overall, Betula pubescens is a versatile and useful tree species that plays an important role in the ecosystem.